Because when you don't hack, see, the thing with the hacking, right, is at first you think hacking is a shortcut. Like you think, well, I'm going to save time if I don't do it right. I save time is what you think. And it's such a double-edged sword because it actually takes more time. I swear on everything. Every single hack ends up taking more time in the full project cycle. Not every single hack, but the hacking in general, it costs you more. You go back and find bugs, repair bugs, repatch, rewire, way more. Way effing more. And I'm not talking like little things, like, because code has this tendency to grow. Like, when you write a piece of code, what I try to explain is you will never, ever, you have to admit you will never able to foresee how it will grow. Because I think most people, when they write code, they think they know what it's for, and then that way they know how it's going to be used. But that's not what code works. If you really pay attention to your code and you think about it, when you write code, you end up reusing that for all kinds of crap. And it starts growing and growing and growing and growing. And so if it's built on a little hack or a hard code or whatever limitation it is, bad architecture, and it starts growing, every time it grows, it gets harder and harder to refactor, and it also gets harder and harder to find that was the problem, because also the longer you go back in time, the more likely you forgot. And so it just goes on and on and on. But I know everyone kind of says they understand that, but there's a difference of really believing it.